Alrighty, so we had a donut. It's pretty good. Cold pressed juice over there. That's interesting. Oh, I realized I didn't really show it well. This is it. Blazing fresh donuts. Nice little, if you want to call it a hole in the wall place, I wouldn't, but where are my fucking keys? I got one more. So I got glazed. Oop. I got glazed, and I got French toast, and they are made to order. So I was skeptical of that at first. Sorry, lady. I'd let you go, but you're also just jaywalking, so nice little ride around the town center. I don't think I had a stop sign. That was odd. I felt like maybe I was doing something I shouldn't, but I think it was fine. So I only ate the glazed, tiny donuts. I tried to get a little bit of a video of it, but we're gonna go ride by it again, obviously, as we're just going around the corner here, or around the green. Delicious donut, absolutely freaking delicious. Warm, soft, kind of smaller than I thought they were gonna be, but they were stocky. Got glazed and French toast, and I am excited to try the French toast, honestly. There it is again. Blazing fresh donuts. Made to order. Damn, I did not know that. That was, I mean, that was impressive. I enjoyed that. I mean, the glazed donut, the whole donut was not glazed, but it was okay, nonetheless. You know? I'd give it like an 8.4, I think. Damn, man, I really need gas, but it just looks so lit over there. What is going on that, like, nobody moved, bro? I wonder what this big old traffic jam's about. We're gonna get gas because there's an opening. God, like, are you gonna go? Thank you. Makes me want to find a different way home, man. Holy shit. Is this gonna pop out where I want it to? Who knows? Oh yeah. Hashtag dodged. Closer. That thing is pretty cool. That thing was cool. Oh man, I feel like rejuvenated. I got gas, I got good donuts, I got one more donut. I hope, like, well, I hope it's still, like, warm and soft. I'm not sure it will be in my backpack, but I wasn't expecting it to be made fresh, you know? They literally gave it to me in that box. I threw my backpack on and I walked out of the donut shop and I stuffed my face with it. You know, I'd be surprised if that thing was done for 30 seconds before it started getting dismembered. I'm stoked. I want to do more of them. I want to go to more donut places. Not even just donut shops. Like, maybe sometimes I should just stop and grab a fucking donut. Show you guys the donut, you know? They had so many flavors. I got French toast that just looked like a, you know, that'll be good, right? I'm sure. But so many flavors, man. I was about to say, I don't know if it's nice enough weather to be out in a convertible, but here I am on a motorcycle, so I didn't say it. Sheep. That's cool. Old wagon. There's deer all the way out there. I thought you were going to be able to see them. It looks like 7 or 8 of them. Just to the left of these trees that are totally fallen with the leaves. I just wanted to see this old car. That's all. I wanted want to know what it is, man. We're just about getting home. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. I thank you for tuning in with me, riding along with me, going to the donut shop with me. Let me know what you think of these gloves. These might be the gloves for the rest of the season until we get to summer, and even then they might be summer. I saw some of the reviews said like, hey, over 80 degrees, like these are not the gloves to wear, but I dig them, I think, overall. They're nice. Anyway, this might be a little twofer. Some new gloves that we like, and new gloves that we actually like, and Donut Tuesday and such. You know, wow, it's busy as hell over here. Yeah, you know. Alrighty, folks. Thanks. Bye. Love ya.